Are you prepared to ensure compliance from the very first stages of your product development? In the complex and ever-changing landscape of medical device compliance, 3D Experience Requirements Management can help you out. Simplify how requirements are managed, maintain traceability of product data, and ensure that regulations are met right from the very start. Let's take a look how.
In today's video, we would like to demonstrate to you how the requirements management solution works within the 3D Experience platform. Managing requirements in a collaborative platform enables the possibility to track, trace, maintain, and manage all requirements which are crucial for the product development process. Here you can see two different panels. The panel on the left focuses on the different requirements which are part of the requirement specification, and it primarily contains all the necessary metadata on the requirements. For example, the revision of the requirements, the priority of the requirements, importance, classification, owner, etc. And on the right panel, you can see the actual content of the requirements, supported with images and other kind of diagrams. It is extremely easy to add new requirements to an in-progress requirement specification. For example, if I am to add a new requirement to a packaging requirement specification, I would select the relevant chapter, and I have the possibility to either create new requirements or add existing requirements. There are also situations where some requirements are considered standard, for example, environmental requirements, ISO requirements, and compliance requirements. So in those cases, we can use the concept of libraries where we can tag all the requirements which are standard, and as and when needed, the relevant requirements can be pulled from the standard requirements and added to the requirement specification. So let's have a look how that is done. Let's take an example of environmental requirements, and all the relevant environmental requirements can be simply selected and dragged and dropped under that particular requirements chapter. Once the requirement specification is prepared, it is possible in the platform to share these requirement specifications or even certain specific requirements with a supplier. This can be very conveniently done by selecting the relevant requirements or requirement specifications and sharing it with a specific supplier. In this case, I am sharing this requirement specification with supplier A, and what happens in this case is this supplier will be able to access content within the 3D Experience platform through this space where I have shared the requirement specification.
Thank you for watching. For more information, visit technew.com/lifesciences.